Hi, I'm Veena Gidwani and today we are going to make a light, nutritious and a very tasty dish called Dalia Upma, which you could have for breakfast. You could also have it as a tea time snack, or once in a while if you're in a mood for a light meal, this would be perfect. To know how to make Dalia Upma, keep watching. To make Dalia Upma, we'll need 1 bowl of dalia or broken wheat, half a bowl of carrot finely chopped, 1 medium-sized tomato finely chopped, 1 medium-sized potato finely chopped, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, half a bowl of green peas shell, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, salt to taste, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 3 tablespoons oil and 2.5 katoris or bowls of water. For the tadka, 1 inch piece of ginger finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 8 to 10 curry leaves and some coriander leaves finely chopped. So let's start making Dalia Upma. I'm first going to light the flame and place this thick kadai on it. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm now going to allow the oil to get hot. Now I'm going to add mustard seeds, 1 inch piece of ginger finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 8 to 10 curry leaves. I've now added the onion finely chopped. I'm going to toss these around for a minute or two. The onions have now become translucent, so I'm now going to add the chopped carrots, the green peas, and I'm now going to add the chopped potatoes and cook them with the tadka masala for a couple of minutes. I'm now going to add the dry spices, and I'll begin with 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander or dhania powder, a little salt for the vegetables, and I'm now going to mix all of this well. The masalas are now well blended, so now it's time to put in the chopped tomato. And we are going to turn it around till the tomatoes are well blended with the other vegetables. The tomatoes are now getting well blended, so it's time to add the dalia. And I'm going to mix it with the vegetables. While the dalia is getting cooked with the vegetables, I'm now going to boil 2.5 bowls of water. That is the proportion that for every 1 bowl of dalia, we use 2.5 bowls of water. Now that the dalia and the vegetables are almost done, I'm now going to add the boiling water. I'm going to add a little bit of salt because we've added dalia, and half of the chopped coriander leaves. I'm going to mix this well. Adding the boiling water helps to cook the vegetables quicker and also does not make the upma sticky. If you add cold water, it can tend to become lumpy, so therefore it's avoidable and you should use boiling water. Okay, the water has now almost been completely absorbed, so I'm going to lower the flame and cover the pan with a lid and allow it to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. so that it's soft and well done. Our Dalia Upma is now ready to eat. You can have this with mango pickle, mixed pickle, papad, or even with a bowl of dahi. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, subscribe to India Food Network, and we'd love to hear any feedback or comments that you may have for us.